Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and Style Beauty Bar. So today I'm gonna show you the easiest guide to the perfect eyebrow. Yeah, so I will start by combing my eyebrow using a spoolie. You comb and comb, make sure it's neat enough. So I go ahead and sketch my eyebrow. When you're sketching your eyebrow, sketch the right size of your eyebrow. If it's small, just leave it small. If it's big, just leave it big. Sketch it according to the way you shaped it. So after sketching, I'll go ahead and fill in my eyebrow using the same eye pencil that I used to sketch. Fill in, and when you're filling in, just hold the tip of your pencil because you don't need to press it too hard. Just comb and sweep with the pencil. Don't press it too hard. Sweep, gentle sweeping with the pencil. After filling in, comb again with the spoolie. Gentle combing, just the top of your eyebrow to make sure it's neat enough. I will go ahead and conceal my eyebrow. I'm putting some concealer on my hand. Then I'll get a small brush, put some concealer on it. Then I pass it under the sketch line I made. Remember, first step we sketched down and up before filling in, so I'm passing the concealer under that line. It will give the eyebrow a very high definition. And it will help you have a very clear shape with the eyebrow. Hope you can see the shape is very clear after putting the concealer. So we're gonna do the same this side as well. After concealing my eyebrow, I'll go ahead and use a small round brush to clean off all the unwanted concealer. Then after, you can apply the rest of your makeup. Thank you.